While freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are popular, social media can be an absolute goldmine for finding high-paying writing gigs. Today I'm going to show you how to use social media to land freelance writing jobs even if you don't have a big following. First, why social media is so powerful job source? Because most businesses and entrepreneurs are active on social media, constantly looking for content creators, marketeers, and yes, writers. By using the right strategies, you can find the job postings that aren't listed on traditional freelance sites, connect with decision makers directly, position yourself as a go-to writer in your niche, and build relationships that lead to repeat work and referrals. So let's break it down by platform and how to use each one effectively. Finding freelance writing jobs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, making it one of the best places to find writing jobs. I already mentioned LinkedIn, and I just want to remind that you can leverage your LinkedIn if you optimize your profile, if you post valuable content over there, engage with clients, use LinkedIn job search, and connect and pitch. Let's move on with finding freelance writing jobs on Twitter or X, now called X. It moves fast, but it's a great place for job opportunities if you know where to look. Make sure to follow industry leaders, marketing agencies, content managers, and editors that often tweet about job openings. Don't forget to use hashtags, search for hashtags like freelance writing, hiring writers, and content writer to find job posts. Engage and network, reply to tweets from businesses looking for content creators. Even a simple "I would love to help with this" can work. Post writing samples, share snippets of your work with a link to your portfolio so potential clients can see your skills. Finding freelance writing jobs on Facebook. Yes, Facebook isn't just for memes and family updates, it's also a great place to find writing gigs. You can join freelance writing groups, look for groups like freelance writer jobs or copywriting jobs for freelancers because clients often post jobs listings directly. Engage in business groups. Many business owners and entrepreneurs need writers, so join marketing and startup groups where people are looking for content. You can post about your services and let your network know you are available. A simple post like, "Hey friends, I'm a freelance writer specializing in car industry. If you or someone you know needs content, let's chat." Sometimes this can attract leads. You can find freelance writing jobs on Instagram. Instagram isn't just for influencers, it's also a great place to showcase your writing and find work. Make sure to optimize your bio, mention that you're a freelance writer and include a link to your portfolio. Use hashtags strategically, trial tags like freelance writer, content writer for hire, or copywriting services. Engage with business accounts because small business owners often need writers but don't post job listings. You can comment on their content and offer value to build relationships. Post writing tips and samples, share your expertise by sharing short writing tips and success stories. Finding freelance writing jobs on Reddit. It's an underrated but valuable platform for freelancers. You can join relevant subreddits, look for communities like freelance writers, hire writer, where job posts are frequent. You can engage in discussions with helpful advice and people may reach out to hire you. Check for hire posts because some subreddits allow job postings where businesses look for writers. So final tips for landing jobs on social media is to be active and consistent, spend a few minutes daily engaging with posts and potential clients, network and build relationships, don't just look for job listings, connect with people and provide value. Have a portfolio ready when someone asks for samples, be prepared with a link to your best work. Don't be afraid to pitch, reach out to potential clients directly and offer your services. So whether it's a LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, the key is to be visible, engage with the right people and position yourself as the writer they need. Now let's move on finding freelance writing jobs through agencies.